Hey, what's up guys, how's it going? Welcome back to another video. And if you're new to this channel, kindly smash on the subscribe button and turn on the bell icon so anytime I upload a new video you get notified. So this is gonna be a full Blogspot tutorial course from scratch to the end, and I actually hosted my website on Blogspot. I think that's around 2010 2012, something like that. So it's been a while. I've been away from Blogspot, so I moved on to WordPress actually. But then I noticed that people are still much like going into blogging, and a lot of people out there don't have enough to pay for WordPress website under some hostings or buying a domain, something like that. So since Blogspot is actually free, people are coming down there to host their website. And also Blogspot is limited to some certain templates, so I make some research on different templates so we can be able to use that. Although I have not used them, so I'll be experimenting all of them inside this video, because like I said, so it's just like you newbie and me myself, we are trying to work things out. So that's how it's gonna be. And I believe at the end of this video it's gonna be a guide for you to set up your own Blogspot website. So without wasting much of the time, so I'll just proceed on to sign up or create my first blog on Blogspot. So I'm gonna click on create your blog right here. Then it will ask me for my email, so you can see here. So I'm gonna click on this since I'm going to be using this email. So I'm gonna input my password there. Alright, so I just input my password, then it's creating my blog for me. So European Union law require you to give European Union visitors information about cookies, so I'm just gonna cancel this. Alright, so here it asks for my blog name, so I'm gonna put in my blog name here. So it must be finance. So I actually add a space here. So I don't know how your blog's name is, so you can decide to remove the space, but since this is a title blog, so I can just input the space so that it's kind of like must be stand on its own, then the finance also stand on its own. So this is the title that will be displayed at the top of your blog, so you can see here. So sometimes you can also add some other words to it. Let's say for example, number one, finance blog website. So this is just for SEO purpose. So you can see you are from 0 to 100 characters to add to your blog title, so you can add more title to it. This is not a blog URL. So I'm gonna click on next. Then here it asks for our blog address. So here you don't have to sorry, so here you don't have to put in any space, and this is a URL that your website will use. So you see this blog address is available. I'm using a unique name, so it's available, unlike some people that just combine words together or try to replicate a word, a blog address from a ranking blogs, which of course at the end you'll be regretting, because because there is a big blog that bearing that same name. Let's say for example like I'm looking for a big blog. So let's say for example a Facebook. Some people that can decide to use Facebook blog or something like that, which of course doesn't make any sense. So you have to use a unique blog name so that anytime your post is ranking, another blog will not be taking your traffic, because if you have the same name with another blog, you might be sharing the same traffic, so it's gonna be a bad business for you. So here we have mustbefinance.blogspot.com. So I'm gonna click on next. So here it asks for to confirm display name on our blog. How do you want your name displayed to readers on the blog? So it should display as Mustbe Finance. So I want it this way. Then I'm gonna click on finish. So it's processing, as you can see here. So let's wait for it to load. Then I'm gonna see how our blogs look like. So here is the dashboard to our blog. So I'm gonna click on here, right here, to see if the blog is available. Okay, view blog. I'm gonna right click here, then you can check on the blog. All right, so this is the website, mustbefinance.blogspot.com. So here is our profile at the left side here, and here is our main blog. So this template is from Michael, and we're gonna be changing this template. So we'll be exploring each of these sections one after the other. So let's say, for example, for the states, this is where your traffic will be showing, people that come to your blog. So this is where your blog comments will be showing. This is where your earnings will be showing. If you are connected to AdSense, you can see right here. So if you already have an AdSense, you can actually connect that. So the next one is pages. So for you to create a page, you have to come in. Okay, all right. Page that you create will show here. All right, so pages layout, how your blogs will look like. So you can see the layout for real. It's been a while I've been on Blogspot. Actually, much are not updated. It's still the same way as it is before. So you can see the search bar, the header, the pages. So here you can show this widget. So you can create pages from here. So let's say this is home page, add new items. So page name, for example, if you want to create a page, let's say about us, for example, about us, then about us. So this is page name, about us. So let's say this is our page name, then click on save. You can say the page have already been added. So if there is more page you want to add, just click on add new items. Then it's gonna add that page. So then you can click on save. So you see it's updating. So I'm gonna check on the home page of the website again, and let's see if the page is added or not. All right, so I guess we did something wrong. So I'm gonna delete that page again, then let's see if that will work or not. So I'm gonna delete the page, then click on save. So let's see if it works now or not. All right, still the same thing. I guess this could be the issue. Show this widget. So I have off the features. So let's check it now. Check if there is a typo in mustbefinance.com. Not really sure if there's any error in there. Move these items up. I'm not sure we did any mistake here. Configure page list. Okay. So let me try to update that again. All right, I think it's now working back. So I'm gonna create the page again because I don't know why that should be a problem. So I'm gonna create the page again, then add new items, page name, about us, then let's say page URL about us, because we need to know where the issue is coming from. Then click on save. So let's check again. Alright, so the about us is not showing yet. So then I'm gonna go back to this page. So let me toggle this on, like show widgets. So this widget, then click on save, then go back here again and let's see what pops up. Okay, I think we have two on page, so obviously something is working, but then not yet right. Okay, yeah, so you can see here I'm gonna edit this and put it about us. Okay, then click on save. Let's check back if it's working. All right, so you can see right here about us on page. So if you want to add more page to that, it will still work. So then feature post, so I think we also need that feature post. Okay, featured post. All right, so all these have already been toggled on, so I just wanna put it up. So featured post, then let's check if it's working. It's not showing yet, but I believe it will show. All right, so let me go back. Let's check again. Featured post, show image, use most recent post, show widgets, cancel this, then sidebar. All right, so let's move. Where is the widget? Okay, all right, so I have to make a post before I can actually see this featured post inside one of the blog posts. So in case you want to make it show on the home page, so you have to like move it from one section to another. So I'm gonna go back to themes because we still have a lot to check. So I'm gonna check on the themes section. So here we have this is the current themes. So scrolling down, you also see some other themes available that they are actually free, so you can use any of them. So scrolling down, you see some other themes that are okay that you can use, but I think there is one section where you can actually upload a themes or template thereabout. So let me click on this, then switch to first generation classic theme. I'm not sure. I'm gonna click on customize and let's see. Okay, all right, reset background, advanced, sorry, widgets, about me, show about me. All right, so I'm gonna go back, my theme backup. Let me click on backup. Okay, download. I'm not gonna download that. Restore. You can upload a theme from a file on your computer. Okay, so this is exactly what I want to do. Upload. Okay, so what is the theme name? Recent. Oops, let me check on the theme name. So I download like two SEO Nest Glossify. Okay, let me use the Glossify. All right, glow. Glossify. Oops, I think it's currently on zip file. Let me check what type of file can I upload. You can upload a theme file from a file on your computer. So I guess this is not it's not possible to upload a zip file to this. Okay, let me open this Glossify free version. I'm trying to, okay, I've extracted it, Glossify. Okay, let me go back to here. Alright, so I'm gonna upload again. So let me check Glossify. Alright, so you can see it has bring the themes. So I'm gonna click on it, then click on open. So let's check if it works or not. Restoring themes. So let's check if that works. So I'm gonna leave a link to these themes in the description below. So themes preview is currently unavailable. It's not available. Let me check if it works on the website. Wow, it's actually work. You can see this really work. It works. So I'm just gonna do some little editing on the template so it has different features. So no post yet, so we're gonna make a post. Let's say new post, for example. So let's try to make a new post on the blog. So on the title, we're gonna talk about, let's say, how to make money online as a teenager, as a teenager in 2024. So I'm gonna use a ChatGPT or cloud to generate this content. So I'm gonna use there are different AI tools that you can actually use. So let's say, for example, just want to use ChatGPT or Google Bard or cloud. So let me try to use Bard, for example. So I want to use Bard. So okay, so write me 500 words blog post on how to make money online as a teenager in 2024. So this is the content I want to upload. Then you can see the Google Bard is already generating the content for me. Being a teenager in 2024 is pretty awesome. You're a tech savvy, resourceful, and you can see. So I'm just gonna copy this, then put it on the blog. The internet is your playground. Okay, so I'll copy this, then come back to my Google Blogspot, then paste this. Oh, oops. This have always been issue on Blogspot. I think how do I used to fix that back then? I think I used this. Oops. Still not working, so I'm just gonna remove that, then go to let's say should I remove this? Okay, just want to use and look for a tool that I can actually use to Grammarly. For example, do I have the Grammarly account? Quillbot.com. So I'm gonna paste the link here. All right, then I'm gonna recopy back on this page, then go back here and paste. Oops, this text is not even showing. Okay, yeah, so it's now showing. So this text, I'm gonna just put this as a normal heading, do some editing to the content. Then editing. So I'll do all the editing for this content. So just want to give this one sub heading. It should be very smaller to that. Okay, so conclusion 1 2 3 4. All right, so you might also want to add an image to your post. Insert and edit link. So paste link here. So let's say I want to put in an image. Make money online. Make money online. So I'm gonna navigate to images. Then I think this. In your own case, you might actually have to find a good image to put that you actually own. So let me apply this. Open this in a new window. Yes. Okay, no follow attributes. Then apply. All right, I think I actually made a mistake. There's a way we used to add image to post. Insert image, upload from your computer, upload by URL. So here is what I'm actually looking for. Upload by URL. So I'm gonna paste the URL here. Then you can find access to this image in that URL. All right, I'm gonna do this. So I click on that, then I will get the image URL, image address, then go back here, then replace the new link. So it has to end with .png or .jpeg or .jpg so that it will work. So then select here, and you can decide on how to position the image. You can also click on editing here, then add your own alt text. Say how to make money online as a teenager in 2024. Original size, I'm okay with the original size. Alt text title. Okay, I'm not gonna put alt text because if I put alt text there, it will be displaying under the image. So I'm gonna put it this way. So there's a chance that if anyone search for this particular keyword, this image is going to show. So here I'm gonna scroll down. So here is the conclusion on how to make money. Then I'm gonna minor subheading. Okay, so yeah, I'm done with the content. So there is also an option where you can link out to some other websites so that they'll gonna make your content more unique. So make money, let's say just want to link to another website, let's say make money, then I'm gonna link into one of my website. Okay, so open a new tab, then click on apply. So I already add a link. So just I don't have any current blog post on this website, I will have input another link to as an inbound link. So for the permanent link, you can also do some editing here. I think this is actually okay, or click on custom link and you can decide how you want your link to look like. So but it used to be like this. Then publish, you can also schedule how you want your blog post to be. Then for the label, you can separate with commas, make money online, side hustle, easy money online. So here I've already separated with comma. Then for location, you can decide to put a location where you're actually targeting, but I don't think I actually need that. So for the options, you can say allow reader comment, do not allow show existing, do not allow hide. So I actually want to allow. So let me check on the preview and see how it's gonna look like. So let's check on the preview to see how the blog post will be. So you can see right here how it's gonna look on our website. So you can see this is actually amazing. So yeah, I'm gonna just publish that, confirm and publish. All right, so we publish our first blog post on the website. So the next thing is that I think we need to do some editing on that themes, because it's showing some let's say some of the templates that we got. It's showing some samples, just like this logo, and under the filter you can also see this one right here. So we're gonna do some editing on that, and it's not showing okay, it's showing this image snippet. So you can see this is actually amazing. I actually love this. Now I see the reason why people are actually using Blogspot. It's really amazing as long as you have a good template. So you can see, so I'm just gonna do some basic editing on the template. So you can just come down here, then I think it's gonna be edit HTML, mobile settings. Let me check on these settings right here. I think it should be here. Oh, there are actually a lot of features inside here, so it depends on where you're actually going. But then if you don't have any experience about it, I will advise you not to change some certain things on the blog. All right, so here is the features on that themes. So you can see this layout I've already changed from how it looked like before. So mobile logo, blog post, you can see all these side features. So post you might like, follow us, about us, logo, I think this is the logo. Okay, this is not the logo, it could be this, I guess. Input image from a computer. So just gonna remove this. Let's see how it looks. Just want to see how it looks so I can be able to identify what I want to change. I think the logo is actually from here. So I think this is the image URL. Select image by insert the URL. So I think this is the image URL. I'm gonna copy that to fact check it. Alright, so you can see this is the logo, glossify. So if I have my own logo, I can just do some editing here. I'll upload from computer or just upload my logo URL here. So after that, I'm gonna do some header logo. I think okay, yeah, here is the logo actually. Here is the logo. So you can do some editing here. Header logo, top bar icon, and some other features inside it. So basically this is how you can actually set up your Blogspot website, and I also show you some other settings and how to get this particular template. So you can check on the description of this video to get this particular template for Blogspot, and it's actually free. So if you have any certain question, you can let me know through the comment section below. Thank you.